All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. We're going to go over some DD regarding AMC, and I'll go over that and the new NFT partnership with GameStop coming out, which is pretty awesome. Stick around for that part of the video as well. So if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing, and let's get started. Why meme stock AMC may have an ongoing lease on life by NASDAQ website, nasdaq.com. After stumbling a few days, retail investor favorite AMC showed that its glory days aren't quite behind it. Stock gained 19% Friday trading, this is December 22nd, a week ago, as Spider-Man No Way Home began generating sizzling opening weekend sales. Superhero flick may have fueled AMC's surge, but it's also fairly certain that the stock would not have jumped so much without the continued dedication of retail investor fans, the apes, who have showed that influence of the little guy on share prices persists, particularly for this stock. Hey guys, not financial advice, but it shows that buying and holding works. They're commenting on it. Early December dip for AMC. During the second week of December, it looked as if AMC's long period of overvaluation, originally driven by retail investors' attempt to generate a short squeeze, may be coming to a close. Well, this short squeeze is because the shorts massively piled in and they're stuck. Though down considerably from its June peak, the stock is still up by 1,200% from 2021's first 11 months. But shares dropped again after several insiders sold major parts of their stake in the company. So if insiders sell, what happens? Retail buys it up. Not financial advice, but that seems to be happening with this, right? Certain institutions may sell their positions end of year. What happens? Retail buys it up. In my humble opinion. December 9th, Adam Aaron sold 312,000 shares, or 76, or it's about 76% of his existing holding investing AMC. Entire stake. No, see, Adam Aaron still has a good chunk of his shares in the stock. Both men are entitled to issue his shares under equity and grant vesting plan, and Aaron has approximately 3 million shares and given them issue under his arrangement for dates in the future. Their sales were prearranged. Adam warned that they were coming back on November 9th during the company's third quarter earnings call. You should expect to see some stock transactions on my behalf. Expect to see stock transactions shortly on my behalf. Based on plans put in August. At the time, Aaron said Aaron was at pains to point out he would still have millions of granted shares, which would continue to give him skin in the game. So Adam Aaron has skin in the game. I have enormous personal stake in the future of the company, of your company, AMC. He said, telling investors they shouldn't worry about a brief wave of selling. Nevertheless, AMC shares fell by more than 7% on Friday, following the divestitures, and continued to slide on the following Monday. Saved by AMC's Spider and Reddit's apes. AMC's fortunes got a fresh boost at the end of the very next week when Spider-Man opened up in U.S. theaters. Public's appetite for watching costume crime fighters on the big screen seemed to have surged back from pandemic lows. The film had opening haul day of 121 million and potential 245 million opening weekend. These sales put it at the top 2 or 3 debut performers of all time, respectively, only behind other Marvel movies. Viewers flocked to AMC across the U.S. and internationally, according to December 17th. 1.1 million people filling AMC seats on opening night. The company said it was the highest grossing December launch in history and the second highest ever. Only 2019 Avengers Endgame surpassed it. Aaron put an upbeat interpretation of the data. Spider-Man clearly indicates to us that consumers in large numbers desire the experience that only AMC theaters can provide. He said, though Cinemark reported an all-time record opening night as well, a success ascribed to state-of-the-art cinematic environment. AMC stock bounced more than 19% on the news on a single day, canceled out the declines that followed the exec's sales. That came just as the share sale news caused a strong upsurge in social media mentions on the platforms of Twitter. Research by Quiver Quantitative indicated one trend hashtag AMC 500K reflected a tongue-in-cheek prediction of upcoming 500,000 share price for the theater operator. While that figure is meant to be humorously exaggerated, Reddit's self-described ape army of retail investors believe it's a real possibility for them to generate another short squeeze. Short interest in AMC is around 16.25% and rising. And that's reported. I mean, Ortex has self-reported data. What the news means for AMC's investment prospects. Despite the influx of cash from Spider-Man and several potential upbeat catalysts such as NFTs, AMC isn't out of the woods. Blah, blah, we've heard this before, guys, right? With $1.6 billion in cash on the books at the end of Q3 and a cash burn rate greatly reduced, AMC appears to have a fighting chance to avoid bankruptcy. Well, of course. It's still considerably overvalued for its current performance. However, with its revenues still sharply below 2019 levels. Nevertheless, it's clear that the huge cadre of small investors who bought into AMC over the past 10 months have not lost interest. These traders, as a group, are exerting considerable influence over AMC's share price, and as the latest surge shows, they are prepared to boost the signal of any piece of positive news, giving theatrical releases an outsized bullish impact on the company's valuation. What do the shorts do? The shorts short and distort. I mean, come on. In short, enthusiasm for Wall Street bets crowds not only kept AMC stock elevated for a long period of time, also amplifying the upside by positive news and likely dampening the downside from negative news. Another short squeeze probably is in the cards, according to the Motley Fool, and their move through stocks sufficient to be more stable in the long term. AMC is the biggest one. I don't know what they're saying. However, it seems likely there'll be more strong surges in AMC stock price following successful theater debuts in 2022 because there's a huge rack of movies coming down. You know, Marvel movies, Harry Potter, Top Gun 2. Come on. Powered by retail investors' optimism and persistence. As such, AMC offers opportunities for profitable short-term investment strategies. 10 best stocks we like better than AMC. Yeah, whatever. So 2022, guys. 2022. I think it could be not financial advice. And then let's talk about the GameStop news. AMC's GameStop could team up on NFTs. What investors should know about the match made in heaven. We've been waiting for this for a long time. Two of the hottest stocks in 2021 and favorite investments in retail traders may become further connected in the future with an exploration of our partnership for NFTs. What happened? AMC's Holdings is reportedly pursuing a partnership with GameStop for its non-fungible tokens. The report came from Bloomberg, which said AMC CEO Adam Aron is exploring options to land AMC's NFTs on GameStop's planned NFT marketplace. AMC investor and well-known YouTuber Matt Kors shared the news with his community in a video. Now, personally, I find this incredibly exciting, Kors said. Kors referred to the breaking news as a match made in heaven. And AMC and GameStop have both explored ways to get involved in NFTs. Kors is one of several AMC investors who has followed AMC and GME storylines in 2021. He called naysayers. He said the partnership between the two would never occur. Apes were supporting both, and we're finally getting the last laugh. GameStop announced plans to explore ways to get involved in the NFT market back in March. The company is quietly confirming its plans to launch NFT marketplace in April with an NFT platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. AMC launched its first NFTs through a partnership with Sony Core. The NFTs were given to those who purchased opening night tickets to Spider-Man No Way Home. AMC offered free NFTs to members of its AMC Investor Connect program, which offers perks like free popcorn to its shareholders. GME shares are down, blah, blah, AMC shares are down, blah, blah. So, yeah, I think 2022 is going to be big. You know, we're going to have some exciting stuff coming out. Not financial advice. I think a lot of retail is going to continue to buy and hold. And it's going to be pretty crazy. But, you know, who knows? I mean, if the shorts are desperate for you to get out, I mean, what you're holding is valuable, not financial advice. So, anyway, guys, until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.